I'm gonna do Kane vs Undertaker with my best friend Nima. Oh my god, the dead man making his way to the ring. Who his opponent will be tonight? We don't even know. Let's see if his opponent is going to be a strong or bad guy. Oh my god! It's his brother Kane! Oh my goodness, they're versing each other today. Who's gonna win this madness round? Ding, ding, ding. We'll see. Oh my god, Kane. Put Randy Orton, Undertaker down. Why am I keep saying Randy Orton? I think Randy Orton is my favorite guy. Keep saying Randy Orton. Oh my god. Oh, Randy Orton won a lot of match. 1, 2, 3. If he doesn't get up in 10 seconds, he's lost. 5, 6. He got 10. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kane. Oh, miss. Randy. Oh my god. Stop saying Randy Orton, you jerk. Stop calling me jerk, Justin. Oh my god. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh. I will do some attacks. Oh my god. What's he gonna do? Choke slam! 1, 2, oh, kick out. Why am I keep saying let me do some moves? Oh my god. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, ding, ding, ding. Oh my goodness. Here's your winner and the new World Heavyweight Champion,